Rolling, 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 get the tire rolling. Get the tire rolling to God.
I'm Kyler Grover, and I'm Andy Grover.
And I'm Dad Grover. And today, we're standing in front of the new, never done EcoBoost. But that's not why we're doing a video today. The reason we're doing the video is because today, we're going to take the 71 F100 that we've been building over the last several months. We're going to tow it from the shop back to the garage now that it's got paint on it and start reassembly. And today, our goal is to get the bed on, get it bolted down, hopefully get the rear bumper on. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is a torque wrench, okay? It has special things inside of it where when you set a certain torque, a certain amount of twisting force you want, it'll go click and it won't twist it more than that, okay? So when we torque our wheels, we're gonna end up torquing them up to about 100 foot-pounds, okay? So we're gonna start it at like 30. So we'll go around them all at 30, and then we'll go up to like 60, and then we'll go to like 100, okay? So the way you do that is see these numbers on the side? There's 30 right there. And you see these numbers down here? So if I wanted like 32, 38, whatever on there, then I can do that. So we're gonna start at about 30-ish, okay? This is one too. This is a different style. This one, as you torque it, this little thing moves and then you read what the reading is. So you go till we get to like right there and stop, and then right to there and then stop, right? This one clicks. Two different styles. That other style is cheaper. That's why I had that one first. And then this one, these are a little more expensive, but they totally do the same job. So you don't gotta spend all your money buying the fancy stuff if you don't want to. Okay, so the other one is a 1/2-inch drive, and somehow I've lost all my 1/2-inch sockets. So we are going to use this one because this is a 3/8 drive. So we're gonna start by going to about 30, then 60, then 100. So let's give it a try. Okay, now what's the little numbers, ready? No numbers. Oh, she's getting a little tight. See 30? About. Okay, then we'll go to the next one in the star pattern. Now, for those of you at home that are wondering why we're doing this, going to all this trouble, particularly on a wheel, also on some of the engine parts and some different things, when you have a whole bunch of bolts around something, you want the surfaces, the thing that you're bolting to it and the thing you're bolting to, you want them flat. You don't want them at a wacky angle. So when you're putting your bolts through, you don't want to just do all the ones on one side, because then you could suck that side down and this side might still be up, okay? That's bad, because then you're going to get this stuff, okay? So you do opposites of each other so that it evenly pulls it in, and that way it's perfectly seated. And then you go ahead and torque it to whatever the spec is so it's tight. Tight. Was that 30 on that one? Okay, and that's all 5, right? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go to 60. Okay, so we're gonna start right back here. Okay, now we're gonna go, ooh, and we're gonna pull. We're gonna make sure it holds 60, it does. And there's 100, right? Okay, there's one.
How's the wheel not twisting?
Because the weight of the vehicle's on it. There's 2.
Can I try 100?
Yep. Keep going. Oh, you can't yank it, buddy. You got to go up to it slowly and stop right there. Yep. Keep going. Stop. 4. Good job. Now I'm going to go around and make sure everything was cool. 100. Now that they're tight, everything's fine. 100.
So it's not hard anymore?
100. It still is.
So like, so now it's like at
200
basically?
No, it doesn't double, buddy. That just tells me how tight my bolts are. They're 100 foot-pounds tight. Okay, now those are tight. Okay, now let's do it on the other side. So, when you go to a tire shop and they just go, that's the wrong way to do it. Okay, that's not cool. There are tools like that where they can set them to a specific torque range. They call it how many Ugha Duggas it does because it goes when you get it to a thing. That's not the right way to do it. That's the fast way to do it. We're going to do it the right way. Okay, now you know what to do. All right, here we got new blue strapped to old blue. Okay, there's the driver. There's the freezing driver. So we're going to tow it from the shop way over there out onto the road. House where we will finish it. Go ahead. There we go. There's Hayden. He's staying out of harm's way. Me too. Get out of the way. That's what I'm doing. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. All right, guys. We are back in the garage. The 71 is in here. It wasn't actually that bad. And so now we are going to open up this box from LMC. Noted they did not sponsor me even though I asked, so you can go there or not. I had to pay retail for this stuff, but whatever, they got everything. So this, we got a whole bunch of stuff. What I've done is on the ordering of parts, I've kind of broken it down into stages or phases, right? And so this is phase 1 of reassembly, and that is going to be like bed bolts and stuff. So, pow! We got some interior parts. This is the dash cubby thing, glove box. Printed circuit board for the gauges. Oh, there's what we need today. We got bed bolts, we got washers, we got all kinds of stuff there. This is for the sun visors. We got a new shift boot. We got seat belts. This is the center seat belt. It's a lap belt. And then I also got 2 of the 3-point seat belt kits because they're a whole lot safer than lap belts. And then some black armrests. And I don't know what this is. I don't remember what I ordered. I've had to order a ton of stuff. Oh, that's new plastic for the gauge cluster. We got a lot of stuff in here. We got like most of it interior in here. And then we got this big box, which is new sun visors themselves. You know, I know a lot of guys do different stuff when they do an interior, like just do individual components. And I've done that before, like in the Bronco, I did that. And it's okay, like it's better than nothing. But when you're gonna do a lot of stuff, don't leave a couple of things undone because it looks like crap. So if you're gonna do a lot of it, do all of it. That's my word of wisdom for you guys. Ooh, I know what this is. This is our center channel speakers. But today, we ain't worried about this stuff. Today we're worried about getting that bed in place, bolted down, so that we can start all of our other reassembly. Let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, and we're gonna start putting them together, all right? Mm-hmm. Can you guys handle that? Okay.
Here, I'll just open them, you put them on. Oh. Maybe I'll open them.
Are you ready? I'll lift up.
You can just slide it back.
Get your fingers out of the way. I can't slide it back more. Are you ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me when you're done. Okay, out of the way? Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to slide it. Avery, let me know if we unstick any of those, okay? We're going to slide it. We're going to turn it evenly. We're going to have...
I'm turning it forward?
Yep, Hayden, I need you to tell me before we hit the cow, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slide.
Keep going.
All right, we're at the end of this day. We have the bed bolted on, I think. Why don't you guys check and see if it's on? Oh yeah. We didn't really run into that many problems. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but we put new bolts like we showed you in there. Everything's in, everything's super duper tight. We did not do the bumper yet because we're going to polish the bumper first. It's a chrome bumper. But that's the end of this video. Off camera, I'm going to do some rewiring. Some of the taillight wires are a little rotten, a little crappy, so I'm going to redo those, but I know you guys don't care about that. So the next time that you see us, we will be doing something else. We may be doing the motor. I don't know. We'll have to see. Hint, hint. Or we may be doing some polishing or some other stuff. But we are definitely in reconstruction. We're definitely putting this thing back together, which is freaking awesome. So if you guys have anything to say, what should they do?
Comment.
Comment below. What if they like the video, what should they do?
Thumbs up.
What if they don't like it?
Thumbs down. Thumbs down.
Change the channel, go somewhere else. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of our videos, hit the subscribe button. We got the little bell thingy so you can stay up to date on all of our new videos. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
See something you ain't seen before. Got a flame job, right on line, right on the floor. Got a build 460 and it's supercharged. 12 inches of lift, large and in charge. Keep my cowboy hat tilted to the side. Country thug giving him a hell of a ride. Now you see me fly by, got the 44 spinning, mud flipping, cow